Works with 12-volt systems. Flange mount installation through 3 mounting holes. Replaceable acrylic lens is kept securely in place with a metal snap ring. Requires bulb #2057 for replacement. The Blazer B430BLK 4 inches round stop, tail, turn light is designed to conform to applicable U.S. FMVSS108 and Canadian CMVSS safety standards. The light is surrounded by a replaceable acrylic lens and steel housing and includes a double lead wire. The recessed light and requires a 4.5 diameter cutout for installation. Replace bulb with any standard #2057 incandescent. Top reviews from the United States. Direct replacement for 2013 Keystone Alpine. These were a direct replacement for the lights in my 2013 Keystone Alpine fifth wheel. The only thing I didn't notice was there are only 2 wires on these lights as opposed to 3 on originals. I simply had to add a ground wire to them by screwing onto the back of the housing and adding a wire.